Okay, Uncle Dia. Uncle Dia.
Milan, say something. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hi.
Bye.
Hi.
See you later.
Hi, baby.
Alright, bye.
Nice finish on my day.
Okie dokie.
Hi, baby.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Uh-oh. What happened? You want to call someone else? Let's see. Who can we call? Where's that? Now put the phone in your ear. What happened to the phone? Well, you hung up. Or he hung up. Someone hung up. Here. Say hello. Say something. You're talking to your dog. Hold on. I know, I'm giving it back. Okay. Hello? Oh, shit. Why do you keep hanging up? Here. Here, put the phone in your ear.
Hello?
We're not going to talk to that lame. He doesn't talk to you. He hangs up on you. One more time. No, he's not going to answer because he knows you're calling. All right. Stop. Okay, you called your pediatrics office one more time to your dad, and that's it. Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Say talk to me. Oh, rudeness. Come on. Give me the phone. He doesn't want to talk to you.